Hello. So today I want to speak with you a little bit about how to increase your email deliverability and what does it mean. So you are probably sending cold emails, marketing emails, transactional emails to your customers or potential customers, and some of them are landing in a spam folder, and you're losing a lot of money because of that. So let's take an example. If you're sending an offer with a newsletter to thousands of people, and you're landing just in a 10% of the spam folder of your these potential clients or your subscribers. So you lost 100 people that will see your advertisement or your offer, and because of that, you are losing a lot of money. Another example: if you're doing cold email to your potential clients, and they are landing in a spam folder, these potential clients will not see it, meaning you will lose these customers. So what can you do to increase this deliverability? We will make it short and a few points about how to do that. So the first thing you can do is to verify your email list, meaning the emails that you are sending to should be verified. What does it mean? Some of the emails are, they're not existing. So if you will send, you will see a bounce message in your mailbox. Some of the emails are just spam traps. Some of the emails are fake. So you want to check it before you are sending it, because if you send to emails that are not existing, you will get bounce message, and if you have more bounces, it will dramatically decrease your deliverability, your reputation. So you have to verify your email list. We normally do that with zerobounce.net, so you can try. The second thing you need to do is to write the right message. What does it mean? Messages that like in high probability will be delivered to the inbox and will not land in the spam are messages without links, without attached file or images. They're short, they're personalized, meaning you have the first name, last name, or the business name and it's personalized to each person. It's not like general. So you don't have links, you don't have images, you don't have attached files. And the third thing is in the message itself is that you don't have spammy words, like you don't write free or I don't know, discount, stuff like that. No marketing jargon. You need to make it personalized. As you send it to your friend, you will see like deliverability will be much higher. The next thing you can do is to check your the reputation of the domain, meaning you need to have all the DNS records, all the settings on your domain. It's not just you bought a domain, connected the mailbox, and that's all. You need to have some settings, SPF, DKIM, DMARC. You need to check everything and to check the reputation right now if you are not, let's say, blacklisted in some list, and you need to check these parameters to also increase your deliverability. And the third thing, and the last thing you can do is to warm up your email and domain. What does it mean? When you send a lot of emails here, it's like eating junk food. You become sick, deliverability goes down, and it impacts very much when you send a lot of emails, marketing, transactional, or cold emails. And warm up is like going to the gym. Is like practicing your email and domain to be healthier, better, and this is what the warm up process does. So this is the 4 things you can do to increase your email deliverability, land more in the inbox and not in the spam. And if you increase it just in 10%, and let's take on average you send thousands of email, 100 more people will see your message, meaning 100 people, potential clients. And if you convert only 1% from this 100, you have one client, and one client can cost a lot of money. So don't lose it. Make these 4 things, and thank you. See you in the next video.